As you can see, I decided to use Mendeley as my research platform. To research information, all you have to do is go to the library on the document that it's on. So after doing my research, I added it to my EPCI folder. And all you have to do to create a folder is click the Create Folder button. So I have all of my documents right here and all my articles. You also see these little symbols which indicate that they have been annotated and have citations with it. So after deciding which three references I wanted, I put those into subfolders as well. In reference 1, I chose the teacher effects on social and behavioral skills in early elementary school. To add a file to this document, all you have to do is go to the View Research Catalog entry for this paper. Then you can download the PDF for this. Then at the File section, you add the file, and then you are able to annotate it with notes and highlights. So I did this for every single reference. As you can see. So you can see there's not a lot of highlights on each page because it is important to only highlight the very substantial and necessary information. Now the reference page was created just by going to the Word document, going to References, and Insert or Edit Citation. So after I did that, I then created my entire bibliography of the articles that I used.